Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome back to the PTE preparation series powered by Paragon Overseas Education KSA. In the episode 4 of our preparation series, we'll crack the listening module. So the listening module takes around 30 to 43 minutes for its completion. There are several question types, and some of them are really important and some of them are not. So the question types are listed here: summarize spoken text, multiple choice, multiple answers, fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, multiple choice, single answer, select missing word, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. Here are some easy tips to crack the listening module. Take effective notes while listening, practice typing quickly and accurately, and focus on spelling and punctuation, which is really important part of listening text. For detailed preparation and personalized guidance, students can enroll into our IELTS and PTE test preparation series and score their required bands. For more details, contact us on the given number on the screen or email us on the mentioned email. Thank you. Have a good day.